In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a conversation with a Microsoft Copilot using WhatsApp. If you're eager to try out this new technology for yourself, you're in the right place. So let's jump right in and explore step by step how to get started with an intriguing chat experience. First things first, we'll want to open up WhatsApp, which is the platform we'll be using for this interaction. Whether you're on your phone or using the desktop app, go ahead and make sure you're on the home page of WhatsApp. It's a familiar place, isn't it? From here, we can easily access all our conversations and settings. Next, we are going to initiate a brand new chat. To do this, locate and click on the New Chat button. You can usually find this option as a small icon that resembles a chat bubble or a plus sign, typically situated somewhere at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. This action is the gateway to starting conversations with new contacts, and in this case, to communicate with Microsoft's Copilot. Now, with the chat window open and ready, the next step is crucial. Here, you'll need to type in the contact number you've been provided for Microsoft Copilot. This number is your direct line of communication. Be precise as you enter this number to avoid any mistakes. It needs to be exactly as given to make sure you're reaching the right chat. Once you've carefully entered the number, there's one more thing to do before we begin chatting, which leads us to the next step. After checking that you've entered the correct number, simply press Enter to confirm this contact entry. This action is essentially adding Microsoft Copilot to your list of contacts, setting the stage for you to send messages right away. Now comes the exciting part, testing it out. Let's create a prompt that will let us see Copilot in action. Prompts are simply instructions or questions that you'd like Copilot to respond to. You could start with something straightforward, like asking for a fun fact or requesting assistance on a topic you find interesting. Finally, after crafting your initial prompt, it's just a matter of sending it. Click the Send button, which confirms that your message is on its way. Now the magic happens as Microsoft Copilot processes your request and provides a reply. As you can see, it's quite simple and engaging to connect with Copilot on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's guide. Remember, the key to exploring the full potential of Microsoft Copilot is to interact with it through prompts and questions you're curious about. So feel free to experiment. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy chatting!